Hello kids! Today we will learn toys names. This is a ball. This is a car.
These are blocks.
This is a puzzle.
This is a football.
This is a yo-yo.
This is a kite.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.